How to restore Apple Music library after subscription ends. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can restore our My Apple Music library after the subscription ends. So therefore, let's start with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if your Apple Music library and playlist are gone after missing a payment, your access to the service and music built up to your Apple ID has been restricted due to the unpaid balance, then you may want to restore your Apple Music library and regain access to Apple Music. For starters, turning on the Sync Library feature in Apple Music can help you get back to your music library after renewing your subscription. When you enable this feature, it allows our music library and playlist to be stored in iCloud and synced across all of your devices associated with the same ID. So in order to do that, if you are on an iPhone or iPad, you will just open the Apple Music on your app and you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So you just need to simply tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner. After that, tap on any subscription button such as Get 1 month for $10. So just select the plan that you want to renew: individual, family, college, student, or voice. After that, simply tap on subscribe and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the renewable process. If it is necessary, also update your payment method. After that, restart the Apple Music app and then on your device. Once you have restarted the device, open the Apple Music app and check if your Apple Music library is stored. Number 2 method is you may restore your Apple Music by a request. So for that, Apple allows users in certain regions to request a copy of their personal data associated with their Apple ID through the Apple privacy website. This data may include information from various Apple services such as Apple Music, App Store, iCloud, and more. In order to request that, you just need to go to the Apple's privacy website and sign in with your Apple ID that is associated with your Apple Music account. After that, select request a copy of your data. You'll be able to see this kind of interface on the screen. Under get a copy of your data, just tap on that and choose the data that you want to include in your copy. For your Apple Music library, select the checkbox next to Apple Media Services information. After that, scroll down and click on continue. You can choose a maximum file size and review your selections and click on complete request. Apple will then process your request and you will receive a copy of your data in the email address, which allows you to receive or review the information associated with the Apple ID. From there, you can look for any music library information related. So therefore, those are the methods you may use in order to restore your Apple Music after your subscription has ended. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.